Hey Disney enthusiasts, welcome back. Today we're heading to Toy Story Land at Disney's Hollywood Studios to experience the land's most thrilling ride, Slinky Dog Dash. Toy Story Land is a whimsical playground for Toy Story fans of all ages. Guests are shrunk to the size of green army men and surrounded by their favorite Pixar pals. With its colorful and vibrant atmosphere, it's like you're stepping right into Andy's backyard. But let's talk about the main attraction. In the center of the land, Andy has built a roller coaster using his Dash and Dodge Mega Coaster kit. But instead of using the car that came with the playset, he decided to attach one of his favorite toys, Slinky Dog. The fun begins even before you hop on the ride. The queue is filled with oversized toys, games, and construction materials like Elmer's glue and a box of Crayola crayons, so you really feel like a toy as you make your way to the front of the line. And as you wind your way through the queue, you'll also notice schematics for the ride that Andy has sketched out on notebook paper using crayons and pencils. Once you reach the front of the line, you'll take a seat on a coaster train designed to look like Slinky Dog, before being launched through a series of unexpected twists, turns, and drops. Along the way, you'll race through Andy's backyard in and around the ride's frame built out of building blocks while flying past some of your favorite Toy Story pals like Cowgirl Jessie or Dinosaur Rex sitting atop a tower of Jenga blocks. After an initial series of hills, the ride slows down and a countdown begins before riders are propelled through a series of rings labeled Go. This second launch was crafted by Disney Imagineers to imitate the movement of a toy, with the feeling of a car being pulled back and wound up before being let loose. Then the ride continues through a series of long, smooth hills which provide fantastic views of Toy Story Land. In fact, you might be too thrilled to notice some of the ride's immersive details, like how the cars make special sound effects that mimic the sounds of Slinky Dog's stretchy coils. Before you know it, you'll hit the final brake run where Wheezy is waiting to serenade you with his rendition of the tune You've Got a Friend in Me. This family-friendly coaster takes you on a fun, high-energy adventure, even though it has a lower top speed than some of the other Disney World coasters. Topping out at 40 miles an hour, it's on par with the Barnstormer and the Seven Dwarfs Mine Train at Magic Kingdom. But whether you're a Toy Story fanatic or just looking for a fun and exciting ride, Slinky Dog Dash will keep you smiling from start to finish. It's not just visually fun and immersive, it also delivers a smooth and exhilarating ride experience. So now that you know about Slinky Dog Dash, let's sit back and enjoy the ride. And that concludes our adventure with our pal Slinky Dog. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more great content. Or click here to see our next adventure.
Our friendship will never die.
Please stay seated in the company. please stop and grab your things and step out to your right. Zone